Hello, guys, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 4th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. Yes. Alright. Binary puzzle number 7213. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's get started. We have here 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Alright, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then double one, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. Then double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Finish in 2 minutes. Well. Without comparing, we're quick to solve this one. Yeah. We have a row with completed ones. We have a column with completed ones. Well, should be an easy one. Is an easy one. Yeah. It's an easy one. Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other last puzzle. The jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.